Welcome students. Today we are going to see the exercise of the use of adjective, page number 28. Rewrite using not, so, as. Okay, here you can observe all the sentences are written in the comparative form. So we have to change it into the positive form. So how to do the changes, and keep this thing in mind that without changing the meaning of the sentence you have to use the positive degree in these sentences. So see the first one. Lead is heavier than gold. Here you can observe that heavier is the comparative form. So while doing the changes, what you have to do? Take the gold in front. Gold. Now gold is the singular, that's why gold is not so. Okay, and after the so you have to take here positive form. What is the positive form of the heavier? Heavy. Gold is not so heavy as lead. So this is the answer of this sentence, and here you can observe that gold is not so heavy as lead. Here we didn't change the meaning of the sentence, so without changing we use here positive form. See the second one. Radha is taller than Nisha. Again here taller is the comparative form, and while changing the positive form, take this Nisha in front. Nisha. Nisha is the singular, that's why Nisha is not so. What is the positive form of the taller? Tall. Not so tall as Radha. So here again you can observe no change in the meaning of the sentence, and we use here this form, not so tall as. See the third sentence. Delhi is bigger than Jaipur. Again bigger is the comparative form, that's why take the Jaipur in front. Jaipur is not so. What is the positive form of the bigger? Big. Not so big as Delhi. This is the answer of this sentence. Not so big as. See the fourth one. December is colder than October. So write down this one. October is not so cold as December. So without changing the meaning, here we use not so cold as. So these are the four sentences. What is the fifth sentence? Mangoes are sweeter than apples. So I hope you understood all these four sentences. So try to do the fifth sentence and give your answer in comment section. So the next exercise, exercise number 6, page number 28. Here you have to do the write in positive or comparative form. Observe all these sentences. All these sentences are in the superlative form. See, most beautiful. Most beautiful is the superlative form. So you have to convert this into the either in positive or in comparative. In the exam you can write any one of that, but here I am explaining both the form. See first one, positive. P is for the positive and C is for comparative. So positive. How to write the positive? No other. Here we are comparing the Taj with other buildings. So that's why no other building. No other building is so. What is the positive form of the most beautiful? That is beautiful. Beautiful as the Taj. Okay, you have to start the positive degree with no other, and here positive form. Now how to do in comparative form? The comparative form means first write down the Taj. The Taj is, what is the comparative form of the most beautiful? More beautiful. The Taj is more beautiful, and I explained you that in the comparative form you have to use than. So the Taj is more beautiful than any other building. We are comparing with other building, that's why any other building. So what is the sentence? The Taj is more beautiful than any other building. So this will be the comparative form. See the second sentence. June is the hottest month of the year. So in the positive form, what you have to write? No other. No other. Here we are comparing with other month. That's why no other month of the year is so. What is the positive form of the hottest? Hot. Is so hot as June. So this is the positive. So hot as. And what will the comparative form? June is. What is the comparative form of the hottest? Hotter. June is hotter than any other month of the year. So this is the answer. Here hotter is the comparative form. So June is hotter than any other month of the year. See the third sentence. The elephant is the biggest animal on land. Here you can see the biggest. The biggest means superlative form. So we have to convert it into the positive form. So what will be the positive form? No other animal on land is so. What is the positive form of the biggest? Big. Is so big as the elephant. Is so big as the elephant. So here we use big. Big is the positive form. So big as. What will be the comparative form? The elephant is. What is the comparative form of the biggest? Bigger. Is bigger, and after the comparative form you have to use than. Bigger than any other animal on land. So bigger is the comparative form. This is the answer. The elephant is bigger than any other animal on land. Now see the fourth sentence. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. So here highest. The highest is the superlative form. So what will be the positive? Again start with the no other. No other peak in the world is so highest. The highest positive form is high. Is so high as Mount Everest. So is so high. So high as will be the positive form. Now comparative. Mount Everest is, comparative form is higher. Is higher than any other peak in the world. Students, observe the changes carefully. Okay, what the changes we are doing in positive and we are doing in comparative. Here higher than is the comparative form. See the last sentence. This is the most useful book on English grammar. Here the most useful, it is in the superlative form. So what will be the positive form? Write again with no other book on English grammar is so useful as this one. Here one is for the book, that's why we have to write this one, and so useful as in the positive form. See the comparative form. This book is, what is the comparative form of the most useful? More useful. And after the comparative form, write down than, more useful than any other book on English grammar. So this will be the answer. No book is more useful than any other book on English grammar. Here useful than is the comparative form. That's all for this exercise. Thank you.